this highly underestimated woman, the finance minister. There were all kinds of whispers that she was in trouble in Eastern St. Andrew. It was an open secret that the PNP had put a big target on her back to bring down, to regain Eastern St. Andrew. And last night, she prevailed. She prevailed by more than just under 500 votes. And that is a significant win because Eastern St. Andrew is a very competitive marginal seat. That's the kind of margins you win by in Eastern St. Andrew. 161, she won by in 2016. Then the fluke COVID election, it went up by more than 2,000. It's now back into normal range. And Fayval Williams, I noticed last night when she turned up at the JLP headquarters, she got a huge welcome, yeah? Because she is a very underestimated woman, bright woman. She doesn't have the gift of gab like some of us do, but she is bright, she does her work, she's very diligent, yeah? She's a credit to the political process. The other one last night, the two Juliets, the Speaker of the House, the Prime Minister's wife, Juliet Cuthbert, Flynn as well. The Prime Minister's wife retained East Road St. Andrew, another of the PNP targets, and she held them off. She gained 9,364 votes to Peter King of the PNP, 8,498, winning by just under 1,000 votes.